A Pet in the Bread, written and illustrated by Miss Cherie. Little Yellow was feeling hungry. She ran to the kitchen. She ran so fast that she fell into a big bag of flour. A baker came into the kitchen and started to make some bread. First, he poured some flour into a big bowl. Then he mixed in some eggs, some butter, and some milk. Poor little Yellow was tossed all around the bowl. After that, the baker put the bread into the oven. Little Yellow got hotter and hotter. The bread was like a nice soft bed. When the bread was baked, the baker sold the bread to a supermarket. A teacher bought the bread and took it to school to eat for her lunch. At lunchtime, the teacher opened the package and was about to take a big bite when she saw a little nose, some whiskers, two little eyes, two little ears, and a furry, yellow, round body coming out of her bread. She screamed. Ah! The teacher's student, John, came over and said, "There you are, little Yellow. I have been looking all over for you." "Thank you, teacher, for helping me find my hamster." The end.